When winter hits hard, your jacket shouldn't let you down. Introducing the Reebok Men's Water-Resistant Winter Puffer jacket designed for warmth, comfort, and everyday performance. This jacket features heavy quilted insulation with down alternative filling, giving you excellent warmth without the bulk of traditional down jackets. The water-resistant polyester shell helps block wind and light rain, keeping you dry and protected in cold conditions. The adjustable hood, smooth full zip closure, and athletic fit make it ideal for work, travel, outdoor activities, and daily winter wear. Plus, the stylish Reebok design adds a premium touch, so you stay warm without compromising your look. If you're planning to buy this jacket, you can find it on Amazon. I've added the product, link in the video description, and also in the pinned comment, so you can easily check the latest price and offers. This is a great choice for anyone looking for a durable, stylish, and reliable winter jacket this season.